Welcome to day 16 of my 30-day Pilates and Yoga Wellness Journey, Flourish. My name is Annie and welcome to my channel, Annie Pilates Physical Therapist. This is a gentle beginner arm Pilates to strengthen your biceps and triceps safely and effectively for those absolute beginners, no equipment needed, and gentle to our body. So get your mat ready and join me. Okay, my friends, let's warm up our shoulder muscles first. In a cross-legged position, taking a deep breath, feeling your core engagement. Slowly open your arms apart, reach to your side, palms open, extend your elbow. As you inhale, exhale, pulling your elbows towards your waist. Fingers apart to stretch your finger muscles all the way to your wrist as you reach. Inhale, exhale back. Slow and steady. Exhale back. 2 more to go. Reach, extend. As you exhale, pull back. Last one. Inhale, reach. And exhale back. Now from this position, with your elbow on your waist, slowly extend overhead, reaching to the heavens. Inhale and exhale back. Squeezing back again to your waist. Inhale, reach up. Exhale back. I'm squeezing my upper back, pulling it backwards, opening my chest. As I inhale, reach. Exhale back. 2 more to go, reach. I'm looking up gently to stretch my neck muscles as I exhale back. Last one, inhale, reach, and exhale back. Now from this position, with your elbow on your side, level to your shoulders, slowly place your hand and your elbows together. So if you can't reach it yet because of tightness or something's limiting the motion, it's okay even in this position. Try your best to squeeze it together. As you inhale, feel the upper back stretch. Exhale, open. As you open, slowly look up as well. Feels so good on your chest and shoulders. Inhale. Place your elbow and hand together. Exhale, open. And slowly look up. Inhale, close. Elbow and hands together. Exhale, open. Slowly looking up. Last one, inhale. And then hold it in this position and you might feel a lovely stretch on your upper back and gently pulse up and down. Inhale up, exhale down. Lift and down. Gentle to your body. 2 more. Last one. And then slowly open again. Palms open. Slowly pull it up, facing up to the ceiling. Your thumbs are facing backward. And from this position, I want you to roll your hands in circles backward. At the same time, you're squeezing your upper back. So I'm really lifting my shoulder, rolling it backward with my elbows straight. Feel the range of motion and engaging your muscles. Inhale and exhale. 4 more. 2 more. Last deep breath. And slowly place it down to the mat. We're going to our hands and knees position. We're going to start engaging your upper back with your knees bent. Elbow straight, slowly lower your chest without bending your elbow. Squeezing your upper back as you inhale. As you exhale back, squeezing it, pushing it down to the mat. Inhale down. Exhale up. Squeezing your core in. 4 more. 3, down and up. 2. Last one and 1. Great job, my friends. Slowly sit down to a child pose to stretch your upper back, reaching forward and lowering your chest to stretch your shoulders. Inhale and exhale. Inhale and exhale. Slowly go back to your hands and knees. Hands level to your shoulders, knees over your hips. Let's start with cat and camel in this position to slowly engage your upper back as you round your shoulder. Pelvic curl to an angry cat, looking down to your belly button. As you exhale, looking up, extending your low back. Inhale, round. Exhale, up. Inhale, round. Exhale, up. 4 more. Round to an angry cat. Exhale to cow or camel, arching your low back as you look up. 2 more. Last one. Inhale, round, and exhale, up. Well done, my friends. Let's extend our elbows. Try not to hyperextend. This time, we're going to lower your chest down, keeping your elbows straight to scapular squeeze. So I'm squeezing my upper back as I push up to extend and pushing down to the floor. Inhale down, exhale up. Slow and steady. Feel the muscle contractions on your upper back. 4 more. 3, 2, and 1. Well done. Slowly, we're going to lower our chest all the way down, elbows going to the side for a chest push-up with your knees bent. Modified position as you lower down and slowly push it up to extend. Exhale. Inhale, slowly lower your chest down. Elbows going to the side of the mat. Exhale up. Feeling your chest muscles and your arm muscles engage. 4 more. 3. Inhale down. Exhale up. 2 more. Last one. And up. Great job. Now we are going to target the triceps muscles. Knees together, feet together. And slowly lower your elbows down towards you, leveled with your shoulder. So I'm going down. And then slowly pushing up. Pressing down to the mat. And then your shoulder over your hands. So as I go down, slowly lowering my elbows, center control of your triceps. Inhale, exhale up. Feeling the pressure on your elbow as you go up. This is beginner's arm Pilates. And this is already difficult for most of my beginners. Engaging your core muscles, so you want to pull your belly button in to engage that. Inhale, exhale up. Last one. Inhale and exhale. Great job. Now knees apart. We are going to slightly bend your elbows, not all the way down. So this is challenging. As you lift one leg up, you're going to feel it more on your left elbow. As you lift up your foot with your knee straight and then back with your foot level with your hip. Lift and then back, keeping your elbows slightly bent to target your triceps. So it's an isometric on your upper body. Hold it there. 2 more. Lift, down. Last one. Lift, and then all the way down, and then extend your elbow. And now we're going to switch it up to the other side. Slightly bend your elbows, extend your right leg this time, and then lift, Now you're going to feel this now more on your right side. Exhale down, lift and down, making sure your foot is leveled with your hip, not too low down the mat. 2 more. Last one. And down. Slowly go all the way down to a child pose to rest your arm. Sitting down on your heels. Inhale. Exhale. Last deep breath in. And exhale. Now we're going all the way down to the mat. Hips down. Sphinx position. So I'm pressing on my elbow and my hands slowly pressing up. Feeling under triceps. Looking up to upward facing dog, and then exhale slowly, lowering your elbows down. Inhale, press up. Exhale down. Feel it as you press gently. Making sure you're not hurting your back, you just do a gentle stretch, but focus on your triceps. As you go down, 2 more. Inhale up. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale up, exhale down. We are sitting up now to cool down in a cross-legged position. Slowly, arms up overhead. Bend the right elbow, reaching back on your upper back, and then your left hand over your elbow area to gently pull it to stretch. And hold it there in 2 deep breaths. Inhale, exhale. So we're stretching our triceps muscles. Last deep breath. Exhale. Now we're going to switch it up. Arms to the side first. And this time, my left hand behind my back. And then my right hand over my left elbow to gently pull it overhead to feel that lovely stretch on your triceps. Inhale, exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And exhale, release. Now we're going to cross your arm over to stretch your deltoids and your upper back. So slowly with your right hand over your left and then your left hand on your shoulder to pull it towards you. Inhale. Exhale. 2 more deep breaths. Last one. And now switch it up to the other side with my left over my right. Gently pull it with your right hand closer to your chest. Last deep breath. And now place your both hands behind your head. Bend your elbows. Interlock your fingers and slowly look up to stretch your neck. And I'm pressing my elbows back as I inhale. And then cat and camel and sitting and exhale. Gently pulling my head down, elbows together. Squeezing my core in. Inhale up, open. Exhale down. 2 more. Inhale up, pressing my elbows back. Exhale down. Last one. Inhale, exhale down. And that's it. This is day 16, focusing on our arm Pilates, perfect for beginners. If you love this video and want to follow along and finish strong for our 30 days Pilates yoga wellness journey, please subscribe to my channel, ring the bell so you won't miss anything. Sign up on my website at anniepilatesphysicaltherapist.com/flourish to receive daily email reminders to motivate and encourage you to show up on the mat, to finish strong and well. Great for beginners, even 10-15 minutes or 20 minutes of our program. If you have any questions, suggestions, or concerns, leave a comment down below or direct message me on my social media and I'll try my best to answer each one of you. Always remember, be safe, be well, and healthy. See you tomorrow, day 17. Bye!